Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things crypto and finance. In the ever-evolving world of digital currencies, we're here to guide you through the labyrinth with reliable, up-to-date, and actionable information. HouseLux Estate is more than just a channel. It's a community of curious minds, seasoned investors, and everyone in between, all united by a shared fascination for the potential of crypto. We're committed to demystifying the crypto market, breaking down complex concepts into digestible insights, and highlighting opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey, you'll find a wealth of information here designed to help you navigate the crypto market with confidence. Today, we're diving into the world of Binance, one of the largest and most versatile cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's embark on this exciting journey together. First on our list is spot trading. So, what exactly is spot trading? It's a type of trading where you buy or sell a cryptocurrency and the transaction is settled on the spot, meaning immediately. Now let's dive into how it works on Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. In spot trading on Binance, you can trade one cryptocurrency for another, like Bitcoin for Ethereum, or you can trade a cryptocurrency for a traditional currency, like Bitcoin for US dollars. The transactions are straightforward and happen instantaneously at the current market price. And yes, it can indeed be a source of income, but like any financial endeavor, it comes with its own set of risks. Spot trading can be a profitable way to make money, but it requires a good understanding of the crypto market. Research is key here. You need to stay updated with market trends and news that could affect the value of the cryptocurrencies you're trading. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better your trading decisions will be. Patience, too, is a virtue in spot trading. The crypto market is known for its volatility. Prices can skyrocket one moment and plummet the next. It's important to not let emotions drive your decisions. Wait for the right moment to buy low and sell high. Consistency is also crucial. Regularly monitor your trades, learn from your successes and failures, and adjust your strategies accordingly. It's not about making a quick buck, but about steadily building your portfolio and income over time. So, is spot trading for everyone? Not necessarily. It requires time, effort, and a tolerance for risk. But if you're willing to put in the work and learn the ropes, it can be a great way to diversify your income streams. Spot trading, when done correctly, can be a lucrative way to make money on Binance. It's just the first of many strategies we'll explore, so stay tuned for more ways to turn your crypto into cash on HouseLux Estate. Second, we have futures trading. This is a fascinating financial concept that's been around for centuries, but with the rise of cryptocurrency, it's taken on a whole new dimension. So, what exactly is futures trading? Essentially, it's an agreement to buy or sell an asset, in this case a cryptocurrency, at a future date for a specific price. It's important to note that futures trading is significantly different from spot trading. With spot trading, you buy or sell a cryptocurrency and the transaction happens immediately. But with futures trading, you're making a bet on what the price of a cryptocurrency will be in the future. Now let's dive into how it can be profitable on Binance. Binance offers both traditional futures and perpetual futures. Traditional futures have a set expiration date, while perpetual futures do not. This flexibility allows traders to take advantage of market movements in both the short and long term. The potential profits can be substantial. For example, if you predict that the price of Bitcoin will rise, you can enter a long position. If the price goes up as you predicted, you make a profit. Conversely, if you predict that the price will fall, you can enter a short position. If the price drops, you're in the money. But with great potential rewards come great risks. Futures trading is highly speculative and volatile. It's possible to lose more than your initial investment if the market moves against you. That's why it's crucial to have a well-thought-out strategy and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Futures trading offers another avenue for earning on Binance, albeit with a higher risk. It's not for everyone, but for those who have the knowledge and the nerve, it can be a profitable venture. Remember, as with all investments, do your research, understand the risks, and trade responsibly. Third on our list is staking. Staking is a process that involves participating in a proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain network by holding and locking up a cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the network's operations, such as validating transactions and securing the network. In the world of Binance, Staking works in much the same way. You hold and lock up your Binance coin or other POS coins in your Binance account. This allows you to participate in network consensus, thereby earning staking rewards. Imagine staking as a less energy-intensive alternative to mining. Instead of solving complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and create new blocks, in staking, the creator of a new block is chosen based on their wealth, defined as the number of coins one has and is willing to stake for the network. Now you may be wondering, what's in it for me? Well, staking on Binance can generate a passive income for you. This is because Binance distributes the rewards received from the respective blockchain networks to users who have staked their coins. It's like earning interest on your money in a traditional bank, but potentially at much higher rates. The benefits of staking are numerous. Firstly, you are earning interest on your staked coins, which is a form of passive income. This means you are making money even while you sleep. Secondly, staking helps to secure the network, thereby increasing the value of the staked coins in the long run. Lastly, staking is a great way to become more involved in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, and it provides a sense of participation and contribution. However, it's important to note that staking comes with its own set of risks, including the potential for the staked coins to depreciate in value. Therefore, it's always crucial to do your own research and consider your financial situation before staking your coins. Staking provides a way to earn passive income on Binance while contributing to the network's security. So, if you're looking for a way to earn while you hold, staking might just be the perfect option for you. Fourth, let's talk about Binance Earn. This platform serves as a financial hub within Binance that allows users to grow their holdings passively. It's like a savings account, but for your cryptocurrencies. How does it work? Well, it's quite simple. You deposit your funds into specific products offered by Binance Earn, and over time, you'll accrue interest on your deposit. The interest rates vary depending on the product and the cryptocurrency you're depositing. There are several ways to earn through Binance Earn. Flexible savings is one of them, which offers daily interest on your funds. You're free to deposit and withdraw your crypto at any time, offering liquidity and flexibility. Another option is locked savings. This is for those who don't mind locking away their crypto for a fixed period in exchange for a higher interest rate. Then there's the popular staking option, where you can earn rewards by simply holding certain cryptocurrencies in your Binance account. And finally, there's the launch pool, a unique feature that allows you to farm new tokens. You stake your existing tokens to earn new ones from the latest projects Binance supports. Each of these options has its unique benefits, and they cater to different financial needs and risk appetites. So, whether you're a risk taker or prefer playing it safe, there's something for you on Binance Earn. Binance Earn offers various ways to earn passive income, making it a versatile tool for any Binance user. Last but not least, we have the Binance Referral Program. This program is an ingenious way of monetizing your network and passion for cryptocurrency. Here's how it works. Binance provides you with a unique referral link. You then share this link with your friends, family, or social media followers. When someone signs up on Binance using your referral link and makes a trade, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. This commission is a percentage of the trading fees that Binance collects from your referees' transactions. And the beauty of it is, you keep earning from each of their trades, not just the first one. This means that as long as your referees keep trading, you keep earning. But the benefits of the Binance Referral Program don't stop there. It also provides a win-win situation for both you and your referees. As a referrer, you earn a commission, and your referees get a discount on their trading fees. So it's not just you who benefits, but also the people you refer. To top it all off, there's no limit to the number of people you can refer. The more people you refer, the more you earn. So whether you have a small circle of friends or a large social media following, you can profit from the Binance Referral Program. The Binance Referral Program offers a way to earn money by simply sharing your love for crypto. So, there you have it, 5 ways to make money on Binance. We've delved into the potential of spot trading, where you can buy low and sell high to make a profit. We've explored futures trading, a more advanced strategy that can turbocharge your earnings if you're willing to accept the risks. We also touched on staking, a passive income strategy that lets you earn rewards by simply holding certain cryptocurrencies in your Binance wallet. Then there's Binance Earn, a feature that allows you to put your idle assets to work and gain interest over time. And finally, we discussed the referral program, a simple and effective way to earn a commission by inviting others to join Binance. These are not mere theories, but practical strategies that can turn your time and effort into tangible wealth. Remember to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more tips and insights into the world of crypto. Until next time, keep exploring and earning.